Most people think investing is risky, complicated, or only for rich people. But the truth is, not investing is the biggest risk of all. If you're a complete beginner, this video will save you years of mistakes. Welcome to Clark Invests, where investing is explained simply. Investing is not gambling. Gambling is guessing. Investing is owning real businesses. Long-term thinking is what separates investors from gamblers. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. You can start with small amounts and build over time. Compounding means your money earns returns on top of returns. It looks slow at first but becomes powerful over time. Markets go up and down, and that's normal. Selling in fear is how beginners lose money. ETFs are one of the easiest ways to invest. They give instant diversification. Putting all your money in one stock is risky. Diversification spreads risk. Fear and greed destroy portfolios. Successful investors follow a plan. You cannot time the market perfectly. Consistent investing works better. Small fees silently reduce your returns. Lower fees mean more growth. Investing is a long-term game. Patience is required to win. Start early. Stay consistent. Think long-term. Subscribe to Clark Invests for simple financial education.